Most people searching for online work get excited too fast. But here's the truth no one tells you. Companies like Appen are real. But the experience is very different from what beginners expect. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming this is a stable full-time job with consistent income. In this video, you will learn what Appen actually is in 2026, how the work really works, how much you can earn, and whether it is actually worth your time. Let's break it down simply. Appen is a company that provides data for artificial intelligence systems. That includes training search engines, improving voice assistants, and labeling data for machine learning. A worker like Alex might get tasks such as rating search results or checking content accuracy. Now here's where it gets interesting. You are not hired like a normal employee. Most roles are freelance, project-based, or part-time. You log in, complete tasks, and get paid based on work completed. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect daily consistent work. In reality, task availability depends on projects, clients, and your qualification status. So let's go step by step. First, the application process. You apply online, pass qualification exams, and wait for approval. A worker like Jake might need to study guidelines carefully before passing the test. Some people get accepted quickly. Others never pass. Second, the type of work. Tasks usually include data labeling, search engine evaluation, transcription, or voice recording. These are simple tasks, but they require accuracy and attention to detail. Third, pay rates. Earnings vary widely depending on your country and project. Some people earn a few dollars per hour, others slightly more on specialized tasks. It is not a fixed salary system. In a minute, here is the key insight most beginners miss. Appen is not designed to replace a full-time job. It is designed for flexible AI training work. Fourth, flexibility. You can work from home, choose your hours, and take tasks when available. A worker like John might log in at night and complete short tasks when projects are active. Fifth, consistency. This is the biggest challenge. Some weeks may have many tasks, while others may have very few. That unpredictability is normal in this type of work. Sixth, who it is best for. It works well for students, side income seekers, or people who want flexible remote work without commitments. So is Appen worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you understand what it really is. It is a legitimate company with real work, but it is not a stable income replacement. It is best for extra income and flexible online work experience. To summarize, Appen is real, flexible, and beginner-friendly, but inconsistent and project-based. The more realistic your expectations, the better your experience will be. If this helped you understand Appen clearly, like the video, comment your country, and subscribe for more honest work-from-home reviews that help you avoid confusion and choose better opportunities in 2026. Kailangan to and return na sa Appen 26.